Diagnostics is the troubleshooting section of the Lotix TOC TechLink software. Selecting this button will open a window to multiple options for troubleshooting the Lotix. If you suspect a valve is failing or is not opening and closing correctly, here is where individual valves can be turned on and off to single out where the problem may be. By turning certain valves on and off, you are also able to manipulate the way the gas and liquid move throughout the system for troubleshooting purposes. In the conveyor area, you are able to cycle the conveyor, or the conveyor may be moved to any position of your choosing to test the autosampler alignment and function. Under Sparger, you are able to drain and rinse the sparger by selecting this button. This helps when there is a need to manually clean the sparger, or if there is a sudden loss of power to the Lotix and the sparger still has liquid in it that needs to be emptied. Here you have the ability to manually turn the furnace on or off and set the temperature. When adding a new phosphoric acid bottle to the Lotix, the line will need to be primed so there are no air bubbles and a consistent acid volume will be delivered to each sample. The sample needle can be manually moved up and down by selecting this button. If the needle will not move, then there is a good chance there is no gas supply getting to the instrument since the needle operates off of pressure. The most common buttons used in the diagnostics section are in the messages area. All errors and warnings will show when you select the Errors Warnings button. The error or warning will be displayed along with recommendations on what to check or how to fix the problem. If this does not fix the problem, you may want to contact our technical support team. When you select View All History, you will see all of the past logged files of data for the instrument. If one of the electronic boards in the Lotix needs to be flashed to a newer version, you would simply select Flash Board Firmware. Choose the board to be flashed and the version it should flash to, and it will update. This concludes our introduction to the Lotix TOC TechLink software. If you have any further questions, please contact our technical support team at 1-800-874-2004 or visit our website at www.teledynetechmar.com.